let's work a firework stitch. This is a really fun stitch to knit, and you'll see it featured in the Fireworks pullover, which is the 5th annual 4-day Knitalong sweater. All right, when you're at the part of the instructions that say to work a firework, you will take the tip of your right needle and you'll knit it down into the stitch below on your left needle. Do a double wrap and bring it through, but don't take that stitch off the left needle yet. Take the tip of your right needle, knit through the top stitch, and then one more step, take the tip of your right needle and go back down into that stitch below and do one more double wrap. That creates the appearance, we've got some little tweed flecks in the way, but that creates the appearance of 5 wraps in one stitch. We will be decreasing away these extra stitches later, but for now it's going to look like you have 5 stitches. Then on the next round you'll actually be dropping those double loops, and that will create these lovely elongated stitches, and then you'll be able to slip these elongated stitches over several rounds before you decrease them away, and then they just leave you with a nice lovely little firework in their place. So no stitches are actually decreased or increased for real in this process. It just appears to be the case during those series of rounds where the stitches are being worked, but by the end of the firework series they will all be decreased away, and you'll just be left with these lovely firework stitches, elongated, looking like a spray of fireworks in the night sky.